I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
Tired of
up
dry,
and make a
frizzy, or
statement.
lifeless hair? Transform your hair in just 3 steps with the magic of Olaplex. Step 1. The number for bond maintenance and shampoo gently cleanses while rebuilding broken bonds. Step to number 5. Conditioner deeply hydrates, smooths and strengthens every strand. Step 3. The number 7 bonding oil fights frizz, boosts shine and protects against heat damage. Get up to 72 hours of frizz-free hair, mirror-like shine and salon-level results at home. Trusted by over 50,000 users in just 1 month, and yes, it works for all hair types. Tap the link in bio and give your hair the glow up it deserves.
Hey guys, Danielle here, and I have the Olaplex number 4, number 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. If you haven't used Olaplex products before, they are truly professional grade products. They are incredible. And everything from the scent, which is just this wonderfully luxurious scent, to the feel and the lather that it gives you. I never thought I would talk about lather before, but it really, really does make a difference, the lather. Repairs, nourishing, strengthening for all types of hair. I absolutely see a difference in my hair since I started using these. I also really love the packaging. I love that it's just a flip top, and you can just, for me, in the morning and everything when I'm exhausted and showering, for me that's just the best because they just make it simple for you. I don't think that I'll be going back to any other shampoo and conditioner. I don't use it every single day just because I want to make it last. But if I'm going out, blow drying my hair, or even if I'm going to let it air dry and go wavy and I'm going out, these are my go-to. So Olaplex, awesome brands, guys.